জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Hey, what are you guys doing? What's happening here? Tell me. Hey! Where will I find Nayan? Nayan! Hey, oh no!
Get up.
No!
Hey, listen!
No, let
Hey,
go of me.
hey, sit down.
Please.
Sit properly. Tie her tightly. Tie tightly. Hey, Draupadi! What are you doing? Why are you tying her up? Shut up! Didn't you say she was your sister? Huh? But I feel something's wrong. Who is she? Did you kidnap her? Where did Nayan go? Is anyone here? Who is it now? Can you hear me? Is anyone here? I can't find my wife. Please help me out, please. No one's helping me over here.
Sir, I'm here. Come once. Take me from here, sir. Take me away.
No. This can't happen. It's a lie.
Do you know how much Tripto loves Nayan? Tripto will never hide anything from Nayan ever. I know that.
Oh, really? Did Dripto say this after returning that he went to see Jasmine?
What is happening here? I can't understand anything.
What happened? What is it? Why did everyone turn silent? What were you saying? My proof is all fake. All these pictures are fake too?
Yes, they are. Everything is fake, mother. Whatever you're showing is all false. Please, grandma. Aunt Pratima and Jeet, don't believe all this. My heart says these are all lies. Listen, mother. I can be stupid or do not understand everything. But I can understand love. Yes, Dripto might not have confessed his love to my friend, but I've seen it in his eyes, and that cannot be a lie. Dripto can never do such a thing, never!
You are right, Rangana. You are absolutely right. When I got the photos first, I felt the same way. Because I know Deepu is very loyal. If he has accepted Nayan as his wife, if he's accepted this, then he should be loyal to Nayan, right? But the sad part is that these photographs are not forged. If you don't believe me, you can examine them. Besides, the hospital that Jasmine is admitted to can be called to verify who has admitted her.
Exactly.
It's pretty clear then, right?
Jasmine is in the hospital. Why? What happened to her? And why would Deepu admit her?
See, I don't have that minute details. If you have any doubts, I can give you the number. You may call them. Here, 243.
Let it be, uncle.
What is it?
The favor is not needed. I don't want the hospital number from you because I don't trust you guys a bit. I will collect the hospital number myself. Mom, say the name of the hospital.
Come on.
City Hospital.
Hey, hello, it's Just Call. Could you please kindly give me a number? Yes, City Hospital number. Yes. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Aunt Pratima, I'm not able to believe that Tripta would admit Chowmein to a hospital. Hey, can it be Chowmein's new trick?
Hello. Is this City Hospital? Ma'am, do you have a patient named Jasmine admitted to your hospital?
Why?
Okay. Can you please tell me who admitted her?
Someone named Tripta Basu. Why?
No, nothing. Thank you.
Jeet, tell me, what did they say?
Aunt Pratima, Dripto never told me that he still had a connection with Jasmine.
Hey, please open the door once. Please help me, please. Is anyone in there? Please help me. Danger often comes when danger is feared. Hey, how did her husband reach our place? Hey, what have you gotten me into, Summer? Huh? I'm just a quack doctor. I examine patients to earn my bread. What if I get caught and I'm taken to the police at this age? No, Summer. I don't want to get into this trouble right now. I shall leave.
Hey, what are you looking at? Grab the old man. Otherwise, he'll spill everything out.
Hey!
Go!
Hey! Hey! What? Only show your face. Okay? Not a single word. You got it? Open the door. Open the door.
What are you saying, Jeet? I can't believe my ears. Dripto means my grandson.
I don't believe Mom and Uncle Vicky. They can create an imposter of Dripto Basu and get him signed on Jasmine's admission papers.
If you do not believe me, then go yourself, Jeet. Take Deepu's photograph there and ask if he has admitted Jasmine or not. When the photos came to me, I didn't believe it either. Some unknown fellow clicked these pictures secretly and sent them to me. I thought they must be old photographs. That is why we rushed to the hospital from Nadan Park. That made us late to return home. See, I didn't want to say this after returning. Mom is here and she's already sick. But you forced me so much that I had to say it. Besides, I have checked the hospital register myself, Jeet. Without proof, I won't make such a big allegation against my eldest son. I'm not that bad a mother.
Mother?
Grandma!
What happened?
Mother, calm down.
Oh, Lord!
Mother, calm down. Mother, whatever you heard till now, none of them is true. This can't be true. People love Sayan. He won't hide anything from her. You don't have to pay attention to these rumors. Let's go to your room.
You see, Grandma, Tripto will never be separated from my friend. Mark my words.
Let's go to your room, mother. Let's go.
I can't understand anything. Did you see, Jeet? What happened to Mom after hearing this? I feel so scared, Jeet. Why did Deepu hide staying in touch with Jasmine to us? I'm really worried about Nayan.
Even I am worried, Mom. For you.
For me?
Yes, for you. Because if it's proven even this time that you're lying, I won't spare you, Mom. Because I am not as kind as Dripto. So be careful. Be very careful.
Good job.
What are you guys up to? Are you framing Dripto again?
Huh? Why? Do you disapprove?
Can you hear me? Is anyone there? What? What do you want? You please look at this sandal. This is my wife's sandal, and she's quite slim. She got sick this morning, and I heard that she's somewhere here. No one is able to help me out over here. Will you please help me? I request you. Please help me. Please, I request you. I can't understand anything over here. No one is helping me. Please. Can you please tell me if you've seen her anywhere? Please try to remember. No, I haven't seen a sandal like this. I haven't seen anybody. You haven't seen her? Listen, gentlemen, you please try to remember. Can you please think harder? Look, this is her sandal and she's slim.
You are so close, sir. But I am still unable to reach you. Lotus Vishalakshi, why are you punishing me like this? Why?
I said I didn't see anyone. Don't irritate me at this time of the night. Go away. Listen, sir, please.
Did Sir leave?
Why are you so happy? Nayan can...
Oh, Piku, you get scared so easily. Nayan can't foresee her own danger. That's the reason she has become blind.
What? Nayan is blind. Shh.
No discussion here. Walls have ears. Whatever needs to be discussed will be done in my room. Come.
Come. Come on.
जिसमें रहे तुम और हम चल घर चल
Nayan? Nayan, where are you? Nayan! 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 Nayan, where did you go? Hey, Nayan! What you did was not right. Can you tell me why you made me do this at this old stage? You tell me? The husband of that girl was looking for her very madly. You forced me to lie by putting a knife on my back. I told him that I didn't know where his wife was to his face. This is not done. It won't pay you good. Virtue proclaims itself. I'm telling you.
Hey, doctor. You are getting angry for no reason, doctor.
You may find no reason, but I have a very strong reason. Keep quiet! If you keep speaking like this, I'll kill you!
Hey, stop it. Why are you doing this? Try to understand. The doctor lives in the slum. If he discloses anything outside, it would be dangerous for us. We need to take him into confidence. So keep quiet. Doctor, you are overreacting. Try to understand. Am I taking trouble for the girl for no reason? She can see the future.
What? She can see the future? Are you making fun of me?
No. Why should I do that? Didn't your granddaughter elope? This girl can tell you where she is right now, what she's been doing, and when she'll be returned and everything.
Are you telling the truth?
Why would I lie?
Hey, let me see. Get up. Hey. Get up. Hey. Can you really foresee the future?
I used to do that, but now I can't. I might not be able to see anymore. My eyes are burning. I may not see anymore. Sir may not have gone far. Please let me go. Let me go to Sir. He came to find. Mama.